Morning guys, starting a new week of what's in my husband's lunch. I have a kiwi strawberry Gatorade Flow, one of these clementine San Pellegrino like sparkling drinks sandwich here, which you guys saw is on the brioche bread. It's like a thicker cut sweet bread, some thick cut turkey, some spring mix, Swiss cheese, and then that pesto aioli as the condiment. A couple large pickle spears, one of these Hormel. This is turkey cheddar and dark chocolate covered pretzels, a couple cuties that are ready to eat, and then some Pringles barbecue chips in this little like snack cup. And this is lunch today. We will see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, just packing up the cooler. The sandwich you guys saw me make, it's on the Publix white mountain bread, which is like a really soft fresh bakery bread. And then the condiment I used on this was that pesto aioli sauce, some turkey, some spring mix, Swiss cheese, and then some of the alfalfa sprouts, which I can only find at Publix. We have a kiwi strawberry Gatorade, a Dr. Pepper, one of these organic veggie trays from Walmart. It's broccoli, carrots, and celery with like an organic ranch dipping sauce. It was about $2-ish. I think it was like $2.20 maybe. So I'm gonna see how these are, and then I'm gonna pick up a few more. I have a Gouda cheese stick in here, and then two of the Hickory Peach Duke's smoked sausages, a Cliff Z-Bar in the chocolate chip flavor. It's like a soft baked chocolate chip bar, and then a Uncrustable, which he usually has in the morning for like a morning snack. So this is lunch today, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, just getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today he's having a Snapple mango tea and then a vitamin water in the fruit punch. I made a salad today using some spring greens on the bottom, and then I just put kind of a little bit of this and a little bit of that on top. So we've got like some Persian cucumber, some tomatoes, some broccoli, some feta cheese, some cut up turkey, some bacon bits, sunflower seeds, and then I put a little ranch in here. I'm probably missing, I think there's something else in there too, but I just kind of go through my produce drawers and meat and cheese drawers and kind of use up what I have. I think I might throw a couple black olives on here as well because I have some in the fridge. One of these Hormel salami, cheddar, and cheese. They're like the sandwich stacker things. A banana, one of these chocolate chip Z-bars. It's like a granola bar, chocolate chip bar, and then a strawberry Uncrustable for his morning kind of snack, and then a fork, obviously. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. He's taking a Dr. Pepper today, one of the Gatorade Flows in the Blackberry Wave, and then this is that King's Hawaiian. It's the mini sub rolls. They look like this. They're not huge, but they're not super tiny either. But anyways, I made two sandwiches on here. One has a little bit of turkey. I don't know if you can see it right there because I ran out. And the rest has, then there's salami, tomato, there is tomato basil cheese, spicy mustard, and spring mix. So they're pretty much the same, except this one has a little bit of turkey on it. And then a grape Uncrustable, a Nutella with breadsticks, and then some celery with some Laughing Cow cheese. It's like the dippable, spreadable cheese, and there's creamy Swiss and creamy spicy pepper jack. And this is lunch today. Morning guys, it's Friday and I'm getting ready to pack up the cooler. Today I'm giving Matt a kiwi strawberry Gatorade Flow, a Dr. Pepper, and then in addition he gets his water cooler, a salad today with some spring mix on the bottom, And then we have all different kinds of veggies. So I put cucumbers in there, sugar snap peas, some pico, some red onion and peppers, a couple hard-boiled egg halves with salt and pepper. This is one of those chicken skewers from BJ's. You can get them at Costco that I just cut off the stick. And then there is some ranch right here. It's a nice, I really try to pack as much salad as I can when I do salads. A spoon and a fork, one of these Choi Bani Smooth. These are the, this is just a vanilla yogurt. I don't know if he's going to like it, but I give him a spoon just in case. And then there's a fork again for the salad. And then one of the Oscar Mayer natural, this is the meat and cheese plate with cheese, turkey, and Triscuits to make like little cracker sandwiches, one of the Little Bites chocolate chip muffins, and then an Uncrustable. This is lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and we will see you next week.